Welcome. Learn how to use Zoom and iPad Pencil together to create amazing whiteboard education presentation. Launch Zoom on iPad and join a meeting. Now we are in a Zoom meeting. Click on Share Content option. Let's share whiteboard. Now whatever we draw here, Zoom users can see it. This is really amazing with Apple Pencil icon. To change color of pencil, click on this color icon. You can choose multi-colors and enjoy drawing on screen. Note whatever you do will appear on Zoom participants' screen. To see more drawing option, click on this arrow. You can have as much fun as you want. This is how it will appear on participants' screen, so you can do some cool education here. You also have option like 1, insert text, or 2, pick a pointer. You can write some amazing text and even highlight it. You can create and save multiple screens. These are your multiple whiteboards. You can even save it into picture and later email to students. To save, just click on 3 dots and write. Okay, enough of this video. Just have fun with Zoom and iPad and fall in love with education using tech. Thank you. Created by my guide.